excited about because this is the second of 2 wigs that I actually picked up from Beauty Forever, and the first one I really enjoyed. Hopefully I put some footage there, so I hope that this one is just as nice. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I really can't comb hair. I start every video with that now because I want to give that disclaimer. I'm just somebody that enjoys playing in hair and makeup because it's a fun way to change up my look without it being permanent, right? So I don't take it too seriously. I just enjoy it. So like I said, I've picked up hair from Beauty Forever for years now, but I found that I wasn't reaching for them as much. So I decided to pick up 2 units. The first one I really loved. It was a bone straight, 24-inch, yaki straight rather, wig that I loved. And I also got this one. All I did was take it out of the shipping packaging because I do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig out of the shipping packaging, it comes in this storage case that I really like because I can use these bags for anything other than storing my wig. But I do love that. It also comes outside of the wig with some other extras in here. It comes with a silk, if I can get it out. All right, there we are. It comes with a silk storage case, some HD wig caps, some eyelashes. Those are new. They used to not do that. Beauty Forever edge band, an edge brush with a rubber tip, and it looks like, I think this is a bonnet. Let me see. Is this a bonnet? Yes. And a bonnet, which that is also new. Like I said, last time I was reviewing Beauty Forever hair, their packaging was maroon. So I see that they've switched it over to being red and white. So that's cute. And so is the bonnet. Okay, the wig that I picked up is a 7x5 Bye-Bye Knots lace wig, which I absolutely love those because I am a beginner. I cannot comb hair. A 7x5 Bye-Bye Knots wig by Beauty Forever makes it so easy. This one is a 24 inches long and it's a curly unit. Let's take it out of here so we can look at the curls and the cap construction up close. Beauty Forever also included some Bye-Bye Knots tabs with this unit as well. I now remember what I got. Y'all, this is such a pretty curl pattern on this unit. I absolutely love. But the part that is really cute are those finger coils that they've put in the front of this wig, y'all. On both sides. That is so pretty. I love it. And with something, a wig with this type of curl pattern, it makes it super beginner friendly because all you have to do is really wet it and you're good to go. So the cap construction, I do love their upgraded cap construction. You get that 7x5 parting space. Like I said, I don't feel overwhelmed like I do with like a 13x4 or 13x6. 7x5 is good enough for me. And then we have a comb in the back that I like. I love their thinner adjustable, or not adjustable straps. I love their thinner glueless band. It's more comfortable to me than those big thick ones. And the part that I love the most is the drawstring. That allows this wig to conform specifically for my head, and the wig does not feel too tight or too loose. So the drawstring is probably my most favorite part on this new construction from Beauty Forever. They also have some adhesion. It's not sticky to touch, but it'll make the wig lay flat to my head in the back, going around that back perimeter. So I do love this new cap construction. Let's see if I love the wig. What I'll do is I'm going to put this on my head, spray down with some water, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Tell me what you
right, guys, I'm back with my final thoughts on this gorgeous unit by Beauty Forever. Y'all, first off, there is no con. And of course, this wig checks all the boxes on affordability, beginner friendliness, and quality. But I am absolutely in love with something as simple as those finger coils. Even when it's all down, it is very, 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 very pretty. But I don't know, it's something about having it half up, half down with those finger coils that make this unit super, super cute to me. So this is one that I definitely can recommend. As I just stated, there are three things. Let me go into detail. Three things I'm always looking for: affordability, beginner friendliness, and quality. This hair by Beauty Forever is super affordable. It's some of the most affordable hair that you can get on the market right now. They do have payment options, so very affordable. Beginner friendliness, y'all know, like I always tell you guys, I can't comb hair. So the fact that I was able to work with this hair to make it feel like it looks right on me, to me, is a definite check on beginner friendliness. And as far as quality, as always, I could have told you that before we even started. The quality on this hair is top notch, and that's always when I get some Beauty Forever hair. I'm trying to sit back so you guys can see it. So there is no con. This is a very, 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 very cute wig that I definitely can recommend a 10 out of 10. I'm not sure between this one and the straight one right there which one I like the most, so I'm going to recommend that you pick up both of them because they both are super cute to me. I love them both. If you look in the description box, I'm going to put all the details about this wig, specifically the name of this curl pattern, because the finger coils are what's doing it for me. I'll put all the details in a direct link to this one so you can go and pick this one up from Beauty Forever because you need it in your life. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.